Hi again. Today I'm here with an unboxing of the Hermes Women's Spring Summer 2025 Quilted Jacket. So the jacket comes in two colors. This is Blue Noir. There's also a beige craft, which is more of a tan or beige color. And it is very lightweight. So it's 100% polyester, it's machine washable, and it is quilted, as you can see with the pattern here. There is a hood. And if I open it up, we'll see that there's a rubber closed-toe buttons up here on the front, and then snap buttons all the way down through, along with a zipper closure with a plastic pull tab. Open it up. You'll see the typical women's Hermes patch, made in Italy. There is a little pocket inside, right here, on the left armpit area. There's not one on the right. There are some drawstrings on either side for the hood as well to make it a little bit tighter. It does run a little bit baggier, so if you want to tighten it up, it's there for that purpose. And going down to the tag, not too much else to say other than what I already mentioned, 100% polyester. The tag does say machine washable, wash inside out in the mesh laundry bag, so obviously you want to do that on a delicate cycle. And that's the jacket. It's definitely very lightweight, so it's great for those cool summer mornings or potentially kind of the transition periods throughout the seasons, and looks like a pretty versatile jacket. I should also mention as well that the sleeves here, there's no adjustments on them. It's just the quilted sleeve like that. And this actually fits me as well. So even though it's a woman's piece, it actually does fit men, and it seems like more like a unisex piece, in my opinion. So I'm actually gonna go try it on, and I'll be right back. Here I am with it on. Because it's a women's oversized style, it does fit me. This is a size 38. My wife is typically a size 38, or so it's mostly true to size. Normally I wouldn't fit in there, but because it is oversized, I do. There is also a Hermes closed-toe patch here on the left shoulder, kind of blends in with the Blue Noir color. And the hood is definitely looser, but that's why they do have the drawstrings on either side, so that way you can go and tighten it up, as well as the zip all the way up, as well as the button. All right, so this is the Hermes Women's Quilted Jacket, which is part of the Spring Summer 2025 collection. If you go online, you should see this Blue Noir color as long as with beige craft, and there may be other colors in your store as well, but online those are the only two options that I see. So in the US, as of December 2024, this quilted jacket in both the Blue Noir and beige craft retails for $3,900. And before I go, I should also clarify that this tag here says wash inside out in a mesh laundry bag, not machine washable. So I misspoke there. So it means dry clean it in the inside out in the mesh laundry bag. Don't put this in your washing machine. Very important clarification. Okay, I'll see you next time. Thanks.